In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to earn free ACE tokens on Binance's Fusionist platform. This process is straightforward and can be a great opportunity for those looking to delve into cryptocurrency by earning tokens through a simple quiz. Whether you're an experienced trader or just exploring Binance for the first time, follow these steps to start collecting your rewards. First things first, you'll need to open Binance and log into your account. If you have the Binance app installed, simply launch it, or if you prefer using a browser, navigate to binance.com. Once you're on the platform, enter your login details to access your dashboard. It's essential to ensure that you have access to your account with your username and password ready, or any additional security measures like two-factor authentication in place. Once you're logged in, you'll want to head over to the Learn and Earn section. This part of the platform is great for expanding your cryptocurrency knowledge while potentially earning some rewards. Look for the Academy or specifically the Learn and Earn tab on Binance's interface. It's your gateway to informative materials and quizzes that reward you with cryptocurrency tokens for your participation and learning. Now that you've reached the educational section, search for the Fusionist quiz. This is the event we'll be focusing on today. Specifically, the Binance Fusionist ACE quiz. Keep in mind, these quizzes are often time-limited events, so it's a good idea to participate promptly to ensure you don't miss out on the rewards, which in this case are ACE tokens, a fantastic reward for simply engaging in the learning content provided. When you're ready, take the quiz. It's crucial to answer the quiz questions carefully, as they determine whether you'll receive the token rewards. The questions can vary, and occasionally you might find discussions or resources online that provide the correct answers. However, do note that these answers can vary, so ensure you're answering each question to the best of your knowledge and understanding. After you've confidently completed the quiz, it's time to submit your answers. Submit and then wait for the reward confirmation. This confirmation will notify you that the ACE tokens have been credited to your wallet. The satisfaction of knowing that you've not only expanded your understanding but also earned a tangible reward is a great motivation to participate regularly. Finally, to verify the successful crediting of your rewards, navigate to your wallet, then Spot Wallet on the Binance platform. Here, you'll be able to see your updated ACE token balance. It can be rewarding to see your balance grow as you participate in more quizzes and activities offered by Binance. And that's how you earn free ACE tokens on Binance Fusionist. Keep an eye out for more quizzes and educational opportunities. It's an ongoing journey of learning and earning. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you're excited to keep exploring and gaining more